Morning everyone, we are Group 14 and we are assigned to report Tibuli tribe. So Tibuli tribe are an indigenous people living in southern part of Mindanao, also known as Tibuli and Tagalili. The Tibuli are one of the 7 tribal groups in the Philippines which have made 15% of the population. A combination of Tao, meaning people, and Bilin or hill or slope, thus meaning people living in the hills. So habang itawag sila people in the hills because of their traditional settlements in the highlands around Lake Cebu and its surrounding mountains. So ang location sa Tibuli is in the first class municipalities in the province of the South Cotabato, which is Lake Cebu. So muna yung location. Adere dapit ang South Cotabato pag sa Lake Cebu. So, ang livelihood sa Tibuli ay farming, fishing, hunting, and weaving. So, na sila ay 4 languages. The Tibuli, the Tao-Bilin, Tao-Bulon, and Taga-Bilin. So, ang religion nila is Christian or Islamic faith. So, moving on for costume. So, costume, Higa Bintilas. Higa Bintilas is traditional blouse worn by Tibuli women as part of the Kigal Tibuli ensemble. This blouse, intricately designed and adorned with colorful beadwork, embroidery, and sequins, showcasing the craftsmanship and artistry of the Tibuli people. So, ang Higa Bintilas is muna siya. Muna blouse nga inasuot sa Tibuli women. Next is lyric Tidio. So, ang lyric Tidio is the skirt that complements the Higa Bintilas Tibuli costume. The skirt is often made of hand-woven fabric and features geometric patterns and vibrant colors that are characteristic of Tibuli weaving tradition. So, maon ni ang lyric Tidio nga ginasuot sa female, sa mga babae. Siwat is a headdress. Siwat is a headdress or headpiece worn by Tibuli women to complement their traditional outfit. So, what is your siwat? A picture. Next is bikiliw or necklace. Bikiliw is a necklace worn by Tibuli women, typically made of beads or other materials. This necklace is an essential accessory that adds a touch of elegance and cultural significance to the Kigal Tibuli attire. So, mga siya bigyan na necklace na ginasuot sa mga babae. Helmet limited or beaded belts. So, ang limited ano siya? Beaded belts. Tinala is a traditional hand-weaving cloth indigenous to the Tibuli people from the Cotabato region. Sa muna siya ay tinalang weaving sa Tibuli. So, cultures and traditions. Marriage. Early marriage is still prevalent among the Tibuli tribe. Marriages can occur at a young age. Wedding. Hussein or arranged marriage is a common among the Tibuli tribe. So, ang kasihin is, ano siya, arranged marriage siya, including sa practices ng kasihin.
I am sorry for this is my report. Courtship, Siyubun, is a musical performance that makes the courtship between the Tibuli man and woman. So, ang man, madalas sila siya o hayag or hayag that is slide niya ang kaniyang woman siya itong mag-dance siya to pursue the feelings kung sa iya ang isay sa man. ilang ano. So sa kuan ila kay inig panganak magkuan na sila, matulog na sila, magdulog na sila kutsilyo kay para kung naiwakwak ilang kuanon kana ang pakyong. So the
Ay,
Tibulis
katawa.
Jeris Kadaulas Bad, the sun god of supreme god. Litik, the god of the thunder. Lama, the god of the stone and rocks. Demelos, the god of the wild west. Best, the Dolom, the god of death. The Chilton, the god of color. Ritual and activities. Sa ritual, the Mangwa tribe hilot. Kanang hilot sa ila, mauna ang ila ang mananambal. And the Congo herbal healer, sick person, at the healing ritual. Diba sa ato ako na atay kuan, atay sa atay kanto, may mahalan na. So sa ila, inanapod sa ila, katang bisan asa, sa river ba, or sa pamakasala sila, kanang ila po nang maghalan po sila, maghalan po sila, and ang babaylan mo ay babaylan mo ay maghimuan ng ritual. And the dance, madal taho, true dance of the holy, imitating the movement of Napan, the elder sister of Kutbulol, the Kibuli mythical hero. So, ila tong di-celebrate ang ila ang hero sa una by through dancing. So, kani siya sa dance. Kani siya ang madal taho. And then, madal siwol, parehara ni siya sa dance, sa courtship na si Yugon. Ang madal siwol sa courtship dance na apoy pursue ang girls. Parehara ni sila katong magsayaw-sayaw silang duha sa kuan na instrument, magsayaw-sayaw silang duha. Dito nila i-express nila ang feelings or affection sa isa't isa. So, ang madal suyo at Tibuli courtship dance where two men try to win the heart of a woman. So, ang mga kanang duha ka kuan ka men, mag-away na sila, magsuot na sila o ganaang costume na na-ice sport. Mauto ang ilaang himuon para kinsay madaog ato mautoy makuan sa kanang babaye. Mautoy kuan sa festival. The Limlunay Festival is a futures tradition, music, dance, ritual, and a showcase of Tibuli arts and crafts, including their renowned Tinala weaving. So, Karishana Festival is a colorful festival. Kanaang is a Limlunay, it means a unity. Kanang mga unity celebrating the ethnic group in the region of a color festival. So, magkwanto sila, kanang mag-celebrate sila through ethical na region ba, kanang mga ikat, kanang i-celebrate nila sa kuan na unity ba. And also, Sislong Festival, this is a Thanksgiving festival celebrated annually in the municipality of Tibuli. So, ang Sislong Festival aim to promote the values printing as a way of changing goods and services.
Next is musical instruments. First is agong. Agong is a percussion instrumental that is played to work of the busa or the spirit. So agong, ito ay isang malaking gong na tinutugtog ng pinunong tahanan upang paalisin ang evil spirit. Ginagamit din nila ito sa iba't ibang seremonya at pagdiriwang. Seremonya siya ang agong. Next is kulintang. It's a play during fest. So kulintang ginagamit sa nila during fiestas and other ceremonies. Seremonya siya ang kulintang. Next is cooking. It's a bamboo joke farm and played during the eclipse to call the moonlight foods. Ang ilang foods kay miso or rice, uton or fish, lamnaw or vegetables, ubi or kabuti, ubi kuyo or kasaba, and pizzeria or pork. Ano ilang ano? Ano lang foods sa kabuti. The next is tribal system governance. Ilang leaders